Now that many companies and teams are transitioning to remote work, leaders and managers have new challenges to address. Using objectives and key results, or OKRs, is a great way to provide direction and focus for your remote teams. OKRs help you set your company's priorities so everyone can move in a unified direction. All in all, OKRs can help your remote workers feel more connected to the company and their teams. In this video, we'll teach you how to easily implement OKRs in your remote team or company. As a quick refresher, Objectives and Key Results is a goal-setting system. The purpose of OKRs is to help you focus on what needs to be improved in your company overall. The O stands for objectives. These are your big, aspirational goals. These goals can be about growth, change, or innovation, and can be used at the team or company levels. An example objective could be to increase customer engagement. After setting your objective, you have to set your key results. These are the measurable outcomes that will help you accomplish your objective. For the previous objective, some example key results could be to increase the average customer likes on posts from 28 to 60, or to increase the conversion rate of the blog from 20 to 25%. The final part of OKRs is your plans. These are the activities you accomplish each week to drive your objectives forward. We go into more detail about weekly plans in our weekly planning and OKRs video. It's important to remember that while OKRs are set quarterly, your daily activities and plans should drive them forward, and you need to review your OKRs each week. This helps you adjust the OKRs if any problems come up, and also helps you align your weekly plans with your team and company objectives. Now that you have your refresher on what OKRs are, let's go over how you can implement them in your remote team or company. OKRs should be aligned across the company. This means you need to think through how you introduce and plan your company and team OKRs. There are 3 ways to roll out OKRs: from the top down, branching out, or all at once. When you implement from the top down, you first onboard a set of upper-level leaders. That way, when you begin to roll out OKRs, you have multiple OKR champions. This way requires less immediate training, but takes more quarters to implement. Branching out is when you first start with 1 or 2 teams in a department or company, then slowly introduce it to more teams over time. If you are a traditional company, and only a few teams will be working remotely, it may be good to get your remote team started first. The final way is to have the whole company or team join at once. For large teams of 100 and more, this can be a real challenge, but with the right training and a lot of effort, it is possible. We have seen companies of more than 100 implement OKRs all at once. Of course, if you are a small team or company of up to 20 people, this is the way to go. If you are rolling out OKRs in a small remote team, you can move much faster. So, once you've made the decision, you need to make sure everyone is ready. Writing OKRs is a team effort. You need to ask your team to discuss OKRs and provide individual suggestions on what they think the team's priorities should be. If you already have company objectives, you should align your team ones to these. At this point, you don't need to use every idea for an OKR, but it's incredibly important when onboarding remote teams that you acknowledge what your remote employees think needs improved. When writing your first OKRs, we recommend asking the following questions to yourself and your team. 1. What problems are we facing, and how do we solve them? 2. Are our current projects progressing as they should? 3. What could be changed to have better results as a team? Once everyone has their ideas, book a team video call. The purpose of this meeting is to come to an agreement on your OKRs as a team. In this meeting, consider everyone's ideas. You can evaluate an OKR's potential by looking at the effort needed, the impact it would have, and so on. You should try to limit the amount of OKRs per team to a maximum of 3. When introducing OKRs for the first time, we recommend that you focus on only having 1 OKR per team. This helps everyone avoid stress as they learn the new system and prevents people from getting overwhelmed. From there, you can input your OKRs into a software like Weekdone and start measuring key result progress. After setting your OKRs, It is important to start a weekly check-in cycle, where you review the status of your objectives as a team. In the meeting, you should cover where the OKRs are currently at, what team members are doing over the course of the week, and any lessons learned. From there, you need to prioritize your plans for the coming week. At the end of the quarter, you should have a bigger meeting to see how it all went. Learning, adapting, and improving is part of the OKR process. This is a great opportunity to address problems or failed OKR progress and use it as a learning opportunity. Some questions to discuss include the following. How did the team generally perform? Do your plans drive the expected OKR progress? What were the major challenges? What did we learn that we can apply in the next quarter? From there, you can start planning the next quarter's OKRs. Managing a remote team has its own challenges, but these issues can be easily solved with OKRs. However, it's important to do OKRs correctly from the start by using an OKR software like Weekdone. Weekdone users get access to free OKR coaching, training, and team onboarding to help you and your company learn OKRs as quickly as possible. Get started with a free trial today